Oh, wow. Talk about a flooded parking lot. Quite a lot of walking in the water. Loads of fun. What is going on, YouTube? Today we're doing some more river fly fishing, but we are at the location I was trying to fish last time, but it was way too crowded that day. It just rained a lot, so water's moving fast, but still generally pretty clear. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm fishing a monster bugger, black and silver color. It's gonna do decently well, I hope. What I'm looking for is kind of the slack water. Maybe those little pools that are right next to the currents. You have one looking at it? Nice. All right, we're gonna throw near this rock. Something has to eat right here. It's the perfect spot. Come on, no. All right, that's okay.
Put it right behind that rock.
Huh?
Put it right behind that rock, right there.
Right here?
Right here.
I did.
Oh.
Twice already. No fish home there. No bites so far, but it looks like we're just gonna keep heading upstream until we find better water. All right, let's get some line out. Catch a big fish over here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, super shallow. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the time is now 4:19. So you had one down there, right? Just looking at it?
Yeah, I had something called to take a nose at it.
Ah,
That rock
in the grass. Yo, careful right here.
Yeah.
I almost wiped out. Oh, you good?
Yeah, I went for the jump, and then I was like, uh-oh.
Current's picking up a little bit as we get further into this water. Oh, we are struggling. Sun is still decently high up, so the color I'm throwing is black, which works better for darker conditions. Hello, any fish home? No? Let's hit the calm water. Oh no. We gotta find a way down, but it's quite steep. All right, Nate.
Oh my
Rod,
God.
yep. Best of luck. Nice. All right, I'm gonna go in.
Wait.
Oh, that was a close one.
You almost went ass over tea kettle.
Yeah, I almost died there. I knew that was gonna happen because my legs were a little too short. I was like,
You really
oh no. This has turned into a parkour mission. It's no longer fishing. All right, yep.
Parkour.
Yeah, it is very slick. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but we found a giant, calm, still water area. I think this is where it's gonna happen. Dude, a big old topwater bite would be sweet. Can you hand me a Kinter boy? Yep. Subsurface, not really working for us. Well, if you guys look there, that's a storm front. Let's get on a rock. Got the infamous Kinter boy, self-tied by Nathan himself. Gonna start fishing this top water. Subsurface was absolutely trash. Not even a single nibble, which is pretty weird. You know what? What we gotta do is we gotta imitate a cicada. Currently there's a cicada hatch, so what we gotta do is we just gotta let it float down the current and hope a fish takes it. Oh, another fish jump. Yeah, now's the time to throw topwater. Uh-oh, here comes the wind. Time to double haul.
Aim
Okay. Whoa. The weather just picked up super quickly. Oh, look at those geese trying to fly. Oh no! They're dropping bombs. Yeah, we just wait it out, right? We're not giving up. We still got to catch a fish. All right, well, Nathan's going right now. If there's anything I hate more than losing a lure in the water, it's getting skunked. So I'm coming back here with a nymph tied on, and I'm gonna fish downstream this time. Gonna fish these small little pools. All right, we have made it to very nice, calm water. Just gonna keep walking down this way and catch some small panfish or something. What I gotta do is really just locate these fish, and then I should be able to catch them. I'm surprised I haven't gotten bitten yet. Man, this is so weird. Maybe the fish are not really feeling it after that storm just hit. Who knows? I need to stay confident, even though I haven't caught anything. It's one of the hardest things ever. That is really loud music. Oh, oh, that's a bass. Come on, come on, eat it, eat it. Ooh, these bass are so finicky because people are always swimming here. Oh, your boy got something. Yes, yes, first leaf of the day. Let's go. Oh, almost wiped out. This is super slick stuff, like it's ice. Hey fish, if you want it, you're welcome to bite. I'm not gonna stop you. Oh dear. Oh yes. Oh, we got a fish. What the? Guys, you won't believe what just happened. I casted it, but it hit the rock. And then next thing I knew, I had a fish. This is what today's giant grind was for. One little rock bass. All right, buddy. Thank you so much for biting. Let's go. Yes. Oh, you guys have no idea how desperate I was to catch just one fish. Oh, let me explain to you what just happened. So I was like on this side, I cast it over, I false casted, and it hit the rock, and I was gonna like bounce it off, but then on my line I just felt tap, 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 tap. I'm like, that's a fish. I lifted up, got a little rock bass. Ooh, someone built a beautiful little pool, I guess. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. I pushed through and finally caught a little rock bass. That shows you what perseverance does. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We had like a giant storm come in. That was pretty crazy. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, fish for the adventure.